Do you want to create AI images with Leonardo AI but you don't know how to create Leonardo AI account and create AI images with it? Then this video is for you, because in this video I will tell you how you can create Leonardo AI account. So let's start. First of all, open Google and search Leonardo AI. Open the Leonardo AI website. You will see this kind of page, and here you will also see a lot of images. These are all created by Leonardo AI. Here you will see some features and more options. You will also see pricing of Leonardo AI. With paid plan of Leonardo AI, you will get more features and more credit to generate AI images. But right now, we will only use free plan. With free plan, you get daily 150 credit, and I think that's enough to make daily free AI images. You can create Leonardo AI account with Google, but I am using email. First of all, I will copy the email and then I will paste the email and confirm it. Now I have to insert the password, and now I will get the verification code from Leonardo AI in my email. Here we go, and you can see the code. I will copy the code and then I will paste that code in this box and confirm it. And there we go. We just created Leonardo AI account in few simple steps. Here you will see a lot of images as well and some prompts as well. You can use those images prompts to create new images. Here you will see this kind of page. You can see beautiful images. These are all created by Leonardo AI. These pictures are beautiful, as you can see. You can also create pictures like this with Leonardo AI. Here you can see the image option. Click on that, and here you can see the style. I personally like legacy styles. These are all the options, and from here you can select the image ratio and you can see 150 credits. Here you have to put the prompt. You can put your own prompt, or you can use ChatGPT to create a good prompt to generate AI images. So this is how you can create Leonardo AI account with few simple steps. I believe you learned something new from my video, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and smash the like button on this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.